Look at the dogs. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's Bobby! No, come back, Bobby! No! No! Bobby! Even though I really can't see that well because it's
never to all the trick or treat.
Hmm?
You never to all the trick or treat.
No. Candy. Okay, now I can someone see. Okay, now I can see better. Yay. If someone just give me anything, I can't really stab. Thank you. Here we go, trick-or-treating!
I'm doing with trick.
Hmm?
Okay, I thought you said...
No!
Are you getting everything, or are we just getting like something?
I'm getting...
Don't be like Amanda last year. She didn't get me at all. Or you, or anyone.
Oh, I know.
Everyone's back.
No, I'm getting pretty much everything.
There you go.
The only thing I'm not seeing is some of the sides. It's actually interesting. It just had some parts that's very, like right here. I can't really see that well because it's glare. But that's about it. That's because I'm good at this. Amanda hasn't like mastered it. I might need some help.
There you go.
Yay. Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Bye. Got it. Yeah. Yeah. You could just grab things for me because I can. Yes, there is. And me, Martha. Yay. Now listen. Go again. Go. Huh? Oh. Oh. Some particular areas. Whoa. Anyone home? No? I guess not. Hmm? There it is. Yeah, look first. Yay!
You look like a mascot.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
That's pretty much.
I look like a mascot, do I?
Really now? Obviously. That's what I said. Cha-cha. Cha-cha. It's kind of obvious. Oh, and even I can lose that. Trick-or-treating. Who's that? Oh. And Fluffy. What the hell? I think it's wrong. I can't see anything. There it is. There's people coming on our alley. Yes, there is. People coming. Whoa. Oh no, a dog. Cut some of this pot out that I have. I had to fix myself a little.
Ow!
Okay. Let's go. There's no one. Go. No responding. Ew, YouTubers. Oh. Next house. Yay! I can't adjust myself very well. So I have a bag here, you know.
That's good.
Okay,
That's good.
Thank you.
Happy Halloween. Boy, you're dressed good.
I didn't know dogs can eat candy.
I can eat candy, I can't eat chocolate.
This is true. So you better make sure tonight, when you check out that candy, to remove all the chocolate parts.
Okay.
That'll be very tedious.
There's a stuff here, right?
Huh? Okay, I see it.
Oh, this is weird. Why is it like that?
I don't know. Ugh. That is a weird step. It's a dangerous step. Very dangerous. Let's go. There's no one here.
Careful.
I know. You know what it is? Because it has that little stupid... That wouldn't have been bad.